LS Retail provides a lot of additional information on the LS Retail portal that the partners have access to. So let's look at a few of these things. So if you go here into products, LS Central, you see a kind of a dashboard where you can look into more information. So you have the LS Central modules here, you have the LS Central SaaS information, you have information about the different apps, supporting functionality and more. And then on the side you have different links and as well here on the top. So if we start by looking at the virtual machine. So here is a virtual machine that you're supposed to use in this course. Down here you have the LS Central 21.4. If you go down there, you will see that there are some documents. So here we have the installation guide to help you to start to use the Hyper-V with the VM file. Here you have the VM guide document that has lots of practical information about the VM. And here you have the demo data information document that goes from LS Central 25 and upwards, that has as well lots of practical information about the demo data company we provide to LS Central. So what is more here? Let's look at it. We have as well something called demo material. So in here you have demo data packages, etc., demo scripts, and you have the demo videos. So here you have links on YouTube to different demo videos. And remember, this site is live, meaning that we're always putting in new data, for example, maybe additional videos and etc. Let's go back. Here in the country availability is a very practical site as well. Here you can see which countries are available for SaaS and on-premises, and if the class cluster is ready or not. We have something more here as well. So if you, for example, go into ScanPay-Go, which is an app that goes with LS Central, and we will look into later, here you have some information about it. You will have some document that is smart to use if you want to demo the solution with our demo data company, and here you have presentations. And talking about presentations, then you will see that we have a lot of presentations that are for our solution that are available for partners to use if they want to demo the solution for some prospects and their customers.